And I would just like to host a program in English where many of my teachers from my unit have come along here, where I will not be taking much of the time, and I would just humbly request our chief guest, the Deputy Chief Minister, to please come forward and release the annual souvenir of APSTA. Thank you, sir.
Kumno ngin raja kalaway kumno ngin la ben bao shaka berthai abigedi dai kita pulih kasih akan aishi badi kia nam lenti JKLMNNOBR Ktien Khasi bayar STU W badwai Deki klur jingshai Lawai ba pernai Pateng kiburis kam kiburinam Kumno yakin me ban hiu ban pensanam Jingstan kari Hendai hadu menta Ban bansa Junong baro serta Abigedi dai kita pulih kasih akan aishi badi kia lam lenti JKLMNNOBR Ktien Khasi bayar STU W badwai dai kiklur jingshai lawai ba pernai Utomos Jones-I bawan narisabni Ubu yaki dak tok bakir hari kasih Tien pedang kari Dai kan kak tien Sohra Kadai kak tien Tok tan tien jonga Abigedi Dai kidak pulih kasih akan aishi badi kia lam lenti JKLMNNOBR Ktien Khasi bayar STU W badwai dai kiklur jingshai lawai ba pernai Laka Ki Athawlai Dr. Khasi Abikedi Daiki Dak Puli Khasi Eakang Aishibadi Ki Alam Lendi JKLM and NOPR Tiang Khasi Bayan SDUWY Daiki Closing Shine Laway Bapernai Bless you, man.
From Khasi channel.
Khasi channel is different. This one means ignore academy. Khasi channel come after the development of technology and social media.
Thank you, sir.
Can't stop the doom of night caused by the vices. Now is the time to wake up and rise. Let us make this world together a better place. Let us make this world together a lovely place. We only dare to give love a chance, for we know, we understand this is the only way to make this world. Let us make this world together a better place. Let us make this world together a lovely place. And make, if we only dare to give love a chance, for we know, we understand this is the only way to make this world.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. And now I would like to call the SDLCO of Pynursla, Srimati I. Wadri, to please come forward and hand over the mementos. And I would like to call Srimati Diumino Shankar. Sir? It is a festival of the Pnar people, celebrating the spirit of joyfulness before all the arrangements are made for the sowing season.
organized in collaboration with the Thomas Jones Memorial Celebration Committee to commemorate the 174th death anniversary of late Thomas Jones I, popularly known as the father of the Khasi alphabet, and also to celebrate 181 years of existence of the lower primary school in the United Khasi and Jaintia Hills. We cannot ask for more than this big honor. Kaburam, kabang iso, banginde ban ay, hagan ikasi, kadai, yapi kinong hikay badan burang. Chispa prapoy snap, kilatulun, but hakini kisnem chispa prapoy tani kisnem balatulun. Ngilayo I, but ngilamat, yaka jingshai, haka jingnang ka jingsta. If we look back at the history, in those days, hundreds of years ago, when Thomas Jones and his team had reached in the hills of our district here. He lit the lamp of the alphabets. He gave light to all of us. Nilayo ya kajingshai hakichis pa snem menchua daga jingwan jaulet Thomas Jones baki parlok jungu abolo kiro ikini kilom jungi sini ula ai ya kajingshai kane kajingshai kaban ula bet ule Thomas Jones kalayayne hakisnem kibabot hado banginde yo I kum yakane kapor ban sakhi yakhi kita kinombot jong ule Thomas Jones kabat jejar kabat samsat ngisung tu bahaki tu kisnem hakapor bapi baro pidang don hapo kasi penyat jong district council pila shem gijik ke bon jai iba shulai ilong utang resort balaban sakhi kita gijik jong pi iba shulai ilong kumuta unom tho history jongka APSTA sao po wai snem bandon hakani ka seng ngangek ilat titlut ya ka jingsdam bai ka leti ya te bang laong bumta lala pi phai dien menshwa hakipon district council don ki jing ki bahar rokom Andrei manta onda ka sarkar kala shimti ya ki district council lower primary school na tu snem khnai kusau da ka jingwan ra ya ka an kidang don bun ki mau jing thut akliti ni sung thu phiedon kumba khat khandai hajar tam kino hikai haka LP school level, primary school level, andre ni sung thu ikijing e yadan gajing ya shong banya perkhat iki kam jong hi hakini kisni baladep rungkat bati minister angit minister insadang pensai kambanya shushu onda ai ke jingkren hakini kapor banginge baki ye baro kin sau long kelenti ki bayat bay hakini kisni ki boma haka jingelam jang iba presto den song ibang ngange iba budin yaki jinge jong kinong hikai hakini kita yo beladap ka SSA association jong kinong hikai kalade don buram ya menta iba presto den song bat hakata ngalayo snow ya kajing sakhi jongki ya ki kam ke bailale ya benta kinohi kai SSC bangange da kajing don regat jong i mata kasi in sngoto kambanya shushu ya kajing e jongpi bat nin IT hai deputy chief minister jongi ba in yalam kumjo ai kuble pi baro banda pila lek pai hilai dak mensim kabadak dak jinkmen bakin sadon ki jingkular hakan ikupor ban pensngobhai pi bat kumjuro kin sadon ki jing ai kum kita ki jingkular ki malese kalawe jong pi kanlong kalawe kabadak kababiang kuble shibun.
I think most of us have heard these words, which says, behind every successful man, there is a woman. But in respect to all Primary School Teachers Association, I would say, behind the success of APSTA activity, there is a hard-working and dynamic secretary who dedicated himself, heart and soul, for the welfare of our dear teachers. So now I would like to call upon our dearest General Secretary, Sir APSTA Shulai, to deliver a speech.
Respected three hosts of this 184 death anniversary of late Thomas Jones, well known as the father of the Khasi faith, and also simultaneously with 181 years the existing of the lower primary schools in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills. First of all, I should thank the Almighty God who listened to our prayer yesterday when we are here, that He will be pleased to grant us with a great nature, no disturbance from the rain, neither too hot for you teachers who are present here. I thank also the Deputy Chief Minister Ba Preston Tensong, who is the local MLA from here, that on 22nd
we are truly honored to have you with us today to grace the occasion as a guest of honor. Your presence gives us immense pleasure and hope And so, now I invite Sir Rakam E. Sangma to please come forward to share your thoughts with us.
Chairperson of this glorious occasion of 174th anniversary of late Reverend Thomas Jones I, and also the celebration and commemoration of 181 years of Khasi, existence of Khasi, alphabet and existence of primary schools in the Hill State. Honorable Chief Guest, on this occasion, Sir Preston Ting Song, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and with us, Sri S.M. Sampliang, the former IAS officer and the former MLA and advisor to Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, and SDSO, and not to forget the Civil SDO of Pynursla Subdivision, Madam Waziri, and our officers from Education Department, and President of APSTA, Sir Tony Ford, and General Secretary, Sir F.C. Sulai, and all the office bearer of all Primary School Teachers Association, and all my dear respected teachers from different schools, and my dear friends and ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to express my gratefulness to our Almighty for giving us this beautiful occasion and beautiful weather. And also I would like to extend my gratefulness to all the APSTA members for inviting us to be part of this function. And also, on behalf of the Education Department, on this occasion, I would like to bring the greetings from the entire team of the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, and even from the government to all of you. My prayer and our best wishes to all of you on this occasion and the years to come. As we listen to the speech of General Secretary of APSTA, Sir F.C. Sulai, it reminds me my father, because the primary teachers is not new to me. The behavior, the nature, what you did, how to challenge your face is nothing new to me. Like Sir F.C. Sulai has given the huge homework for the government and for us. So I would like to say, as Education Minister today, we know and I know my homework and my assignment. And in the days to come, I want to assure you, we will not let you down and we will never disappoint you. We will do our best, but for the demands to all this, let our Honorable Chief Guest be response to all of you. So whatever you have demanded today, I am very much part of it. Because whatever you are going to get, I will also get. Because my wife is also very much part of the APSTA. My wife is also the primary teacher. So therefore, if you get, we will get. So when I listened to Sir F.C. Sulai's speech, I remember way 15 years back. My father was also like the president of the district, all primary teachers association of the district. And this is a magazine, this kind of magazine. When I was child, I used to read the batch like this, the magazine like this of the primary school teachers association, and how I learned.
We have been here for not less than 2.5 hours. And I am very sure you must be tired. And not only that, you must be also hungry. Looking at my right side, I is so tempted. So now I'll not talk anymore. My concentration is on food. Here is the first time ever that I attended such function invited by the APSTA. Sitting from the stage and looking back at you, it refreshed my mind seeing my smiling teachers who were not here with me anymore. Seeing yourself as if I see the future of Meghalaya. Because why I'm saying that the foundation of myself, let me tell you about me, bestly. I am as I am because of my teachers from the primary level. Had they been here with me, I would have bowed down myself to their knee. So therefore, you are all the pillar of the state. Kinong ikay bai, day mapi ubastandur yakadur jong kami kalaya. Bat kumju yakadur jong kari India parokaway. Honorable Minister of Education, Mr. Rakam, he has just spoken. Very dynamic, able Education Minister. He has taken a lot of initiative under his leadership, and also with the help of Bahima Shampliang, we made him the advisor to Education Department. Lot of reformation and lot of changes will take place in the days to come. Barakam, thank you so much. I think this must be the first time or second time you visited my place. Here is my constituency. You know, I'm proud to tell you that I am the MLA of Pynursla constituency because of one reason. And the reason is my people are very, very hardworking. And they don't have much time for gossiping. Koblei Hajarmu ia pi kinongkit kam. Jong ka APSTA hapok kajelang jong i Presiden Badon Burom. But u General Secretary Badon Burom South Waisnet. Ngideban ailat ya i harusan po dudas kendai. Ngin celebrate yaga golden jubilee. Une day ure urang ba ubang alay kenduk labun keli ki posnem. But udon sisa quality. But we deserve much more from all of you. Not only from the government of Meghalaya. Balengi tung ya i bandon haka commission, kitip bahang ka rule ka aing ka commission. They ka way na ka simpre akti jong government. kaban yarap lem ban sandur bat ruk ban ai ya ka perkhat ka perdaing ka babit ka babiak knang baya kita ke recommendation ka sorka kan penteri kap ni pemudkhot jong kani ke commission ngang head ba unpet bha ya ki e baro na kamenta kalawe jong pi kinong hikai baro ngaso tena cibun ya don lang kini ke officers jongi na ka liang jong ka subdivision Pynursla na dui SDO sibil bat kiwai nga kerpat ya pi ke APSTA ngobha wan biang shani sha Pynursla hakan ko no kapor ko kedon kam nga kerpat di babu malkom harbudon ngobha ban penbi ibin kai bikin wan biang sis habang om kumtangan penbi so mga kaway katni biwan na keleng saudong dengan pular kemat jopi ngadang ong ya ijrong sekretari ngan aji ngarap ibarik na umta jompi ka fon jom ka seng go jompi silak tengka anda puan dia ngan ai kambun lok umpa ke short play katu ka skit ki ngei i ong in sa declare pat ha u ar pusau terus ngobha bat ke benta ka baar mar nga sungtu ka jingkren jong ibu sulai mener ibu yang i ka ultimatum tapi sasa sakat arklur prapusau hajar prapusau lak prapusau hajar sispa santo kendai iberngem yang yang ini mailah pimi nang ni namadan tengah syukwa ban om ya pi syua kasyuti Christmas kani kepisahkan poisya kaum jopi but day hide banget keren namadon ki ba om perstun de nong itu lupa tengah syua tu lupa ba hapo kasyuti Christmas kani bisa kapasakut imat arpusan persen ka installment ka areas job pinsayo banlek kemen Christmas baka ying kasen baki khol giki nganam keren syu ya ke subject ya kabadai bat ukpa jong u al pebet kasi ngamar man kasnem gi celebrate or ka khubor na kaliang ka sarkar pelong tang kawi kunong hikai ba i mapi ubasandur ubasandar ya kalawe jong ki khun ki barit ki jong batru kumju ya ka imlang gal salang hadu kasti jong ibaraku Snowbah Shibkia ya kakak kata di kekubuan kamu berkata what you I subcontract ya kakam hikai jompi maplem na bang keren kaktin kakam I knew it and this commission has to screen all this not only your grievances but the grievances of the state, the citizens of the state, we are expecting from you. It's not only your areas, not only your salary, but the services we need from you. Because you are the designer of the state and the nation. Ublay kurkuya pi barok kublay siya jamo.
Teachers at elementary level. Banyi bu ga jingshene apiru ba Pinyarap kumba pilakular na kabenta jongi. Ngatrai isa I deserve saya sembiang banyak ai ka cinta peti ke bacam kecengkiran kota lengkot nilai ke bacam tanah baik seterusnya. And now I invite upon the Smith unit APSTA to come on stage and perform its program. We are coming towards the close of our program.
Ki ching chao umat ki nong hi kai ki mat ni sha te mrau ha bun ki liang ka thia ka dem kam biang na dang step mi hap ki ya ki hap red ban ai jing sta man ki por ngi hap mi sha surok ban dawa la ka hok bangi dei ban yo in rei om dan bas ngau in rei om dan bas ngau mi sa ha ching leng go